So hello everyone, and welcome to the live meeting. Welcome everyone. So hope that every one of you has at least grabbed something, okay? Because I've been sharing their very nice setups, especially yen. Okay, so if you were there with me, you should have at least one yen pair, okay? At least one profit. It's the minimum what you need to have, at least if you're trading forex. If you don't, then okay, we forgive you. But if you're first time there, then you can miss. Otherwise, you should have a trade there on yen. I've been actively sharing that yen setup with you guys. Even in the previous recording, we've been talking over there about those yen setups, so you should have it. Hello everyone. So yes, guys, just feel free to use the live chat as you're doing right now. I can see both chats from TradingView and YouTube. So hi everyone, how are you? I'm fine, thank you very much for asking. Very good, very good. We are having a lot of people over there now. So we still have to see what we have currently in the market. Okay, so if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Do not hesitate. I will answer all your questions. And if you're first time there, what we are doing, I'm sharing there with you the maximum that I can. You will gain a lot of knowledge out there on this kind of the webinars. So if you're first time there, go watch my YouTube channel as well. Watch my previous recordings. I created the education playlist over there. Okay, so that's gonna help you. Okay, education. This is what you should watch. There's small educational part. I will be keep adding their videos, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And of course there's the TradingView where I post constantly the setups. I've posted there some setups, and if you're following, then you receive the notification when I post the update or when I post the idea. So your cat, let me just describe what we did over there. Your cat, this is the idea. Okay, and this is what we are watching now. That looks, there's updated one. It looks like still for a nice sell. Okay, look at that one. It's a nice channel. Okay, it's going up and down. So we are expecting now this wave to the downside. This is what we will do. So what you have to do, you will have to follow your sell stops. How far? At least back at the trend line. Okay, that's the minimum what you will get. Back the trend line. This is what we are aiming now. So we are watching there on lower time frame how the price is behaving right there at the top. New Zealand USD short. Okay, someone is asking for New Zealand USD short. Let me check. Let me see. New Zealand USD short. No, not yet. Okay, just keep on watching it. It's not ready yet. Give it some more time. But yeah, it will be for the short. Yeah, that's true. We watch this one at least to go down. I watch New Zealand to lose its strength across the market. So against any other currency, I'm watching the New Zealand will lose the strength. So we will have at least this move, or we'll have a total breakdown. So which one of these we will decide when the price will come down. Okay, when price come down to this trend line, then we will have to decide what we will do with the trade. Okay, so you always have to be in the trade, and you will have to decide later. So that's the reason why I'm always repeating on these webinars why entry point is so important. Because if you enter late, then you don't have time to decide, you don't have time to manage, and you don't have option to protect yourself. Okay, that's very bad. And even increasing your stop loss will not help you solve this problem. So make sure that you are really precious with your entry point. Okay, be precious with your entry point. Be aware where you are entering the market. So if I will enter over there, for example, just quick education for you guys. If you enter the market over there, keep your stop loss over there. It doesn't make any sense. Look at that one. Your stop loss is 300 pips. That's not making sense. Even getting this target, it's bad risk to reward ratio, because that much, if you are aiming 800 pips, you should not get only 2.5 risk to reward ratio. It should be more. Okay, so having this risk to reward ratio, it's very bad. So you're doing something wrong. And what will usually happen, if you enter there, price will go up, it will stop you out, and then it will drop. Okay, so this is why entry point is so important. So make sure where you are in, that you are clear where you are entering the market. It's very, very important. It's everything based on entry. Okay, so if you work on your entry, if you will try to improve your entries, then you will definitely improve your trading. You will have a lot of time to decide. Your profit will increase definitely. Okay, so oh, sorry. So yeah, definitely I will delete this one now. So this has to go lower. Watch lower degree sell stops. Okay, what I have to watch for lower time frame, these sell stops. Okay, lower degree like 15 minutes or 1 hour, depends how skilled you are. Okay, from 15 minutes to 1 hour, this is what you have to watch. Okay, so before we will continue, I will just please you guys, if you can hit the like button, that will help to recommend that video to many more people that are still struggling. Okay, so I see that every day new people are joining the webinar, so people are still searching for knowledge. Okay, and especially like this, what you'll get over there, it's really important. So make sure that you hit that like button. You may help to someone who is struggling, and you may help him. And then we have a question: USDN long? No, USD long, it's not for the long. Let me let's see. USDN, that's not the long. Okay, so don't try to buy the bottom, that's worst what you can do. Okay, that's not enough. This is not enough, and that doesn't mean anything. And especially if you're trading on support and resistance, this is not good. Okay, support and resistance, it has no value to the chart. So make sure you don't get into the trade based on this. Okay, this is nothing. The price can still go lower because it still has some more room. Okay, I still see more room to the downside. So that's why you have to be very careful if you're trying to go long. Okay, but definitely once this will end, once there will be some loss of momentum, then definitely you will see some kind of the correction, and then you will go short from the higher places, higher spots after the correction. Okay, so this has to be clear. This has to be clear for everyone. Okay, so what I was sharing there with you and what I want from you, that everyone should have these trades, are yen pairs. Okay, so pound yen, this is what I have shared yesterday with you. Okay, so I spot there a nice where is it, sorry, a nice expanded flat in the making. So this is the 1, 2 and 3. We are going down, and we will have a nice correction. Then it may go up, or it can continuously dropping lower, but we will do what? We will decide later. So what we have to do now, we have to watch now this lower degree over there, if we will get any sell stop and keep on pushing lower as it did there. Okay, these all are lower degree sell stops. Okay, so if you find them, just keep on following. If you are in the trade from the higher spots, that's great. Just keep on adding trade and your profit will grow nicely. What the price can do as well, what you have to keep an eye on, is if the price started to bounce, will go up, it can still drop. But in this case, you won't have the sell stop over there. Sell stop won't appear if this one more leg to the upside will appear. So make things clear over there. Okay, if this move appears, then there it will be no sell stop on lower degree. You won't see any sell flag. Okay, so don't just jump in the trade. Wait for setup to form, right? Always wait for this setup completion. New Zealand yen, same there. Look at that one. It's an amazing chart. What the price will do, it should keep dropping lower as it did over there. Look at that one. These are all lower degree sell stops. This is what you have to follow over there if you're not in the trade from the early spot. Okay, so my traders and my team, they are already in the trade. They're a little bit faster, so you still has some time to get into the trade. Okay, so this is still a nice opportunity that is forming over there. New Zealand, yeah, no, not that one. We did it already. Iran, sorry. Iran, this one as well. We've been mentioning this sell stop since was hitting those highs, I think. Okay, we've been watching and mentioning this in the previous meeting, that you have to watch for sell stops. What the price did, okay, it went down nicely, and this is the setup where you should have at least one trade running. Okay, so if you were there with us for at least a month, and if you didn't catch Yen, then I don't know what are you doing. Okay, so then you're doing something wrong. You have to fix this. Okay, if you don't have trade over there, you have to fix something. Because if you are the worst trader on the world, you should have at least this kind of the entry. Okay, so that's the minimum what I do expect from the general public, from everyone who is listening those webinars, that you have this kind of the entry, at least one. Okay, and you have to be in the profit at least, let's say close 1-to-1. Okay, close 1-to-1, that's what I really do anticipate you are holding right now. If you don't, then try to fix something. Okay, improve something, ask maybe something it's not clear to you. Okay, so you're doing something wrong, maybe your focus is bad. Okay, sometimes we are losing our focus on things around us which are not important. Okay, so try to be more focused when you're watching the chart. Try to remember what you're watching, how you're watching, and so on. Or maybe you're watching too much charts. Okay, that happens to me in the past. Okay, I was at the beginning of my career, I was trying to watch a lot of setups. I want to have my eyes on all markets, from forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, indices. I want them all, because I think that I will make more money, and that was the problem. Okay, then I was losing focus. This is kind of problem that people are usually having. Is there sound on stream? Yes, it's supposed to be. Maybe you are doing something wrong. So how about the others? Are the others having the sound on the stream, or is just one having some issues? Please guys, can you use the chat and confirm in the chat that sound and screen is working? Okay, so yeah, everything works fine. So then he's doing something. Let me just answer him. Okay, so this is the trade. So what we will do, okay, so is there still something? If I miss this one, can I get in the trade still? Yes, you still can grab the trade. Okay, that's not over, especially if it will go all the way downside. Oh, sorry, if it will go all the way downside. Okay, there will still be a couple of sell stops. Okay, they will always give you sell stops, but this will be lower degree. This will be the lower degree. Okay, so but what are the good trades? What are the best trades? If you catch them from the start to the end. Okay, so from there to there, from there to there. Okay, this is what you want to take, the whole movement. What you enter over there in the middle, it's a little bit more risky, and what I do recommend for my traders is, if you get in over there or there, get in, get out, get in, get out. So you take profit always. 1-to-1 or 1-to-2, then you're taking profit. But if you're grabbing it from the start, then you can hold it. Okay, this is what we did, especially with the catch if. Okay, catch if. So those who've been there, they catch trades somewhere there was a lot of setups. Okay, there was a lot of setups over there, but those 3 trades should be holded. Okay, those trades should run. Okay, you can keep them. These trades is what you can keep. You can hold them. But what you'll do now, you have to see what the price will do. If it corrects, then it will go back at this low. Okay, so keep an eye, it's very good. This is the setup that I also shared with you. Some of them did make money, some of you just still need some improvements. Okay, you will have to work a little bit on your focus probably, or maybe confidence. Sometimes we don't believe in the setups, and if you don't believe in the setup, you have to work on your confidence. Do some backtesting. Okay, backtesting is a very wonderful skill which you can apply. Because with backtesting, it's where you're building your confidence. I really love backtesting. I do this for at least an hour every day. Okay, so you should do the same. So back to the setups. Sell stop, it's what you need over there. Okay, so keep on waiting for sell stops over there. New Zealand yen as well. Okay, this is very good setup still, but it needs to correct, and then we will be keep on selling it at least back at this low. Okay, then the price can change. Okay, this could be flat in the making. It could stop over there, drag one more leg higher, and then can drop. Okay, we've been discussing about this, but just to remind you, okay, what the price can do, this could correct over there, go lower, break the low. This is the running flat there in the middle, so expand flat, sorry. Then 1, 2, 3, giving you the big flat for more upside. Why? All yen pairs are showing this kind of the behavior. Okay, this could be still one more push to the upside. Aussie yen as well. Okay, so this to go lower, tag those lows over there, and then it can start to go up. It could then do 1, 2, and 3, and then to go lower, do something like this, and then go up, and then total downside. Okay, this is how complicated can it get. Okay, this is how complicated can it get, but just follow the waves which I'm sharing there with you. Okay, so just follow the waves and you can miss it. So on lower degree, we will be trading down first back at this trend line, then we will go for the upside, but depends how the price will behave over there around this trend line. So for now, keep on selling, keep on selling, keep on selling. Okay, so search for them. If there is no sell setup, don't touch it, leave it. Okay, all of them are doing the same on daily, especially if you watch them. Look at that one. They looks like a corrective structure. They can go down, tag this low, and then go to the upside, and this all will be one huge correction for more downside, and then they can drop. Okay, you have to be aware of this higher degree structure. Always keep in mind what the higher degree structure is doing. Okay, never ignore it. Don't rely on structures on 15 minutes or 1 hour. They are not so strong. And what I do recommend you is zoom out always. Zoom out your chart, and it will give you a very nice sense of direction. So always keep on watching on the zoomed out chart. Okay, so what else? What are the really interesting chart or setups that I will personally watch, and what I do recommend to watch everyone inside of the academy is New Zealand CAD as well. Okay, look at that one. That's very high, and it looks like it needs to go at least to make a correction. Okay, so at least correction is needed if it will go for another leg higher, but we have to take a benefit over there. We have to see and find the sell stops over there, take the sell, and we will see what the price will do around the trend line. Because if this will break down, then we'll have a nice trade. It can go all the way back at this trend line or even deeper. But definitely this will not go in one single straight line. It has to correct over there, then it will drop, then it will go into the more complicated correction, something like this, and then it will drop, and so on. It will keep on continuing dropping. But we are at the top. Those trades is what you can keep forever, let's say. Okay, if this chart will start its move to downside, you can keep them like for the month. Okay, you are free of watching. You don't need to watch any chart, but definitely it's worth of watching it now on lower degree. Okay, this is what you have to see. There is what you have to see: the price action, or at least a flag drop, correction, and then take a sell. Okay, look at that one: drop, it corrects, and then drop. Okay, so this is what you need over there. Okay, let it break, let it correct over there, and then you take a sell. And then how far it will go, nobody knows. We can stop by this trend line, or we can stop over there, or we can break out totally. Which one? We should not care. If you are in the trade from the good spot with the confirmed setup, then you should not worry. Your trading account will not be affected. Okay, so now what you have to do is just spend some focus over there by watching how New Zealand CAD will develop. Okay, that will definitely helps you as well to improve your trading knowledge. If you see and if you watch how structures are developing, that will build some confidence, that will give you some understanding of how market is behaving, and you will see that it will not move in one single straight line. Okay, so what we usually do is when we are at the top, we think that the price will drop down in a aggressive candle, but this is just a confused move, okay, or some error in the brain, because it will never drop like this. Okay, it never happens. Okay, it always corrects, it always needs to do something to confirm your move, or to confirm the sell. So no worries. And then of course your cat. Okay, this is the chart where I will put my focus now in the next upcoming days and weeks. Okay, we will watch how this is developing. I really do anticipate that this will go lower. Okay, so what else it could do? It could go slowly down there. It will give you the corrective move, and if the corrective move will appear over there, then based on that you should see that there is no momentum for more downside, and it will go and make a new high over there. That's all what it will do. And then of course what you will do, you will repeat the same process as you're doing right there. You will just repeat it over there, and then you again search for sell. If corrective move appears, you are out on the break even, you wait for another leg lower, you again do what? You watch and wait for sell, you take the sell and see. Okay, if the price starts dropping down aggressively, you just put it on break even and watch your account grow. Okay, that should not be the hard part. Okay, the hardest part is your patience and confidence, of course. Okay, so don't click it too early, don't jump into trade too early. That's the problem, or this is what you should not do. Okay, wait for nice price action, solid price action is what you have to wait for before getting into the trade. Okay, so those are the setups that I will personally watch, and what I do recommend everyone will watch. Okay, with the yen pairs, of course. Okay, yen pairs is where we have our sells. Okay, we already have a couple of sell stops, and we will keep adding. Okay, we have to keep an eye on it, and we just have to see how they will develop. Okay, they are looking very nice, but they are on the spot where we have to watch it, especially if they will try to bounce off for another leg higher. Okay, it will not change. Okay, this move will not change anything. It will just, what it will do, this move will just close all my sell stops on break even. Okay, I will not have any drawdown, I will not have any loss. You should not have it, because if you have the loss, you're doing something wrong, and make sure that you will fix this problem. Alright, and what else do we have over there? The chief, yeah, this is one small trade that I take over there, 1-to-1 and get out. That wasn't a big trade over there for me. I just get out, that's all you see there. It's 1-to-1 trade, quick trade, let's say day trade. Okay, I didn't hold it for long and will not hold it. Okay, I don't expect that this price will go up, not from there, and not as it stands right now. So that's why I will take my profit away over there, and then we will watch for more selling power. Okay, more sell will come over there. UK 100, that's still kind of struggling. Okay, so this could still go for another leg higher before it starts pushing lower. Okay, I still see this one. If it drops, then I will not care. I will not be worried. I will wait for another correction, then I will sell. That's what you have to do. Aussie Chief, oh yeah, did that one. Aussie Cat. There's another trade that I have taken over there. I keep those trades on break even. Okay, I will keep them. I don't care if this will try to reverse. Okay, because my target is over there. Okay, this is my potential target. Okay, so you see now how much I can make over there. Okay, 1 to 2.7. Okay, so if you risk 100 euro, your profit should be 270 euro. Okay, dollar, whatever you're trading. Okay, this is risk reward, which has to be clear to every one of you. If I risk $100, okay, my profit should be bigger than this, and in this case I will get $270. Very good risk to reward ratio. Okay, 1 to 2.7. That's how you have to trade. And of course my entry is on very good spot, so we'll just, what I will do now, I will just put it on break even like this, and I will not watch it. I will just leave it. And we'll see what the price will do once it will tag this trend line. Okay, very simple. You see, you don't have a lot to do with the trades that are going. You have a lot to do with the trades that are not going, because you have to manage them. You have to see how you will close them, where you will close them, how you will reduce your losses, what the price is doing, what the structure is doing, is the structure trying to change, and so on. These all are the answers for the trade which is going against you. Okay, and you have to know what the price is doing, or the structure, or the pattern, whatever you're watching. Okay, you have to be aware that you know what the market is doing. Okay, so next one, your GBP. That one's gonna be probably a good one as well. What I do see is this could be a nice corrective structure for more downside. Okay, so this one still doesn't look so aggressive. Okay, it's not so aggressive if you watch the daily. I still think that this correction can get bigger. Okay, this correction can get bigger before it drops lower. They usually get those bigger corrections. Okay, look at that one. Usually we get those big corrections, so it's very possible that we can as well get it over there before next push to the downside. I really see that your GBP will go down in the upcoming weeks or months, let's say like that. But definitely, if this will start, or if this gives me any good price action over there at the bottom, then you should take this trade. Okay, this is what you can take. There is enough profit to be made, and enough good setup is over there, so make sure that you will watch it. It's gonna be a good one, right? So another one, catch if, yeah, this is what we did already. Okay, this is what we did already, and if you take it from wherever, there or there, wherever you take it, your stop loss somewhere there, then this should be your target. Okay, 2.7 at least is what you should have now, or if you close it earlier, then 2.3. okay, this all should be your profit. So if I'm risking only little amount of money, this is 100. Okay, so if you are trading with small account and risking only $100, you should be in the profit for at least $230. That's the minimum, right? You cannot have less profit. Okay, that's the minimum what you should have on your trading account. So you see, it's very easy to make money if you have good setup, if you have the knowledge about the market, how it moves, where to go, and of course if you have the confidence, if you trust in the trade. Okay, then you can take it, you're not panicking, you have a clear sense of the direction, you can rely on the setup, you can rely on your analysis, and boom, this is where profit will come. If you don't build all those steps, if you don't build this confidence, it's very hard to trade, because you will be getting in and out from the trade, out in, okay, and you will be getting in the trade too early, too late, you will be reducing your stop loss, you don't know what you're doing, and so on. Okay, so this is how trading should not work. Okay, and a few days ago, one of you guys were asking me about the membership, how fast he can recover the subscription for the academy. Okay, so he wanted to join our academy, and he was asking me how fast he can recover this membership subscription. Okay, and here's the example. With one setup, you can recover it. You can recover the monthly subscription. But if you're watching for the lifetime access, which is $2,000, it's really small amount of money. Okay, these all are very funny and small amounts of money with the membership. If you know what you're doing, if you have the setups like we have, if you follow them, it's really easy to recover the cost of the membership. Okay, because you get that much knowledge and you can cover this money very, very fast. Okay, that just depends, of course, where is your focus. You're focused enough, confident enough, are you following my rules? Because you will get everything. You will get the rules, you will get the setup, you will just have to follow, and of course you'll have to backtest. Because without backtesting, you don't have the confidence and you can trade without confidence. That's all. But if you do everything, what I will show you, what I will teach you, what I will give you the rules for, if you follow it, if you're stable, if you're confident, if you backtest it, then boom, you can recover this very, very fast. So hope that this guy is now there on the webinar, because I didn't answer totally on his question about how fast he can recover the cost of membership. So hope you're there now and that you will see the answer. Okay, so here we have a question about DXY long and gold short. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look. Let's take now questions. So everyone who wants to ask anything, feel free to ask and I will answer all your questions. So let's start now with the question for dollar DXY, what the DXY is doing. I don't see anything over there right now. Okay, it still could correct. It could be the small correction over there and then can drop. I'm currently neutral. I ain't gonna touch it right now. Maybe tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I need more data over there. What is more data? I need more candles. Okay, if I get more candles, then I can predict then the upcoming movement. Because if I get the correction movement, I can predict that okay, we're going down. If we get the impulse, if we get the correction, and I can say okay, we're going up. And I can predict how far we can go. Is it reversal or it's total upside or whatever. So I need more candles over there. So I will have to wait at least for a day. Okay, I need to stay away from dollar pairs for at least a day. There are many other setups which you can watch. There is yen, of course, that I keep stressing and talking about, and New Zealand cat, Euro cat. Okay, those are the charts where you should spend your focus, where you should spend your time. Gold short. Yes, let me see. Gold short, what the gold is trying to do. So there. That seems to be, this could be the expanded flat, yes, but let me see. Yeah, watch how this is trying to do right now. If this is the, if this is the expanded flat, then we are going downside. Yes, definitely true. But I will not chase it from where it is right now. I will wait for the solid break, correction, and I'll take the trade. Okay, you need more clear sell stops. Or in this case it was the buy, but I'm talking for the sell. Okay, so wait for the bigger sell stop. I will not chase it as it stands right now. Okay, so don't get in right now. Give it some more time, right? That's because dollar it's not clear as well. Because I've been talking about the gold for a couple of times now. Gold has two options. Okay, so gold has two options. What it can do, it can go down, what it did already. Okay, now we have the possibilities. Another possibility is this could just correct, go up, break the top, go down, tag the low, and then go total to the upside. This is option number one. Okay, you have to be aware of this one. Option number two is this one. Okay, let me grab another color. It can go down. Okay, now there, this is the expanded flat what we have saw, and this could just go down, break the low, and then still it can go up. You see, this is option number two. So you always have to be aware what you're trading. Okay, where you're trading, how you're trading, and so on. This cannot totally go to downside. I really don't see that this will aggressively push the pair downside. If it does, then you'll get the sell stop over there. You take this sell stop over there, which will appear. You take it and you see what the price is doing around the previous low. If it is aggressive, congratulations, just keep it and you'll make a lot of money over there with this setup. If not, then stay away, wait. Okay, you should not be the guy who is telling to the market what the market should do, because you decided. Okay. You have to follow the market. Market will always tells you what is he trying to do, what is he doing, where to get in, when it's ready, how far it will go, where it will bounce, what it will do, which structure will develop, and so on. These all are the questions which you will need to answer. Okay, if you don't know those, and if you don't know those answers, then work on your knowledge. You are missing some knowledge, or you can just watch our previous recording webinars. Okay, it will help you to give you some sense of direction on how we watch the structure. Okay, will definitely helps you improve your view. Okay, so here are a couple of examples where you can see what you're doing. Okay, so if you watch this one as well, look at that £1 Aussie, what we did, boom. Okay, went up nicely. Okay, the market moves in waves always. Went up, gives you the correction, went up. Easy. They always does. They follow. They go up, correct, up. They go down, correct, they follow, down. They go up, correct, they follow. Okay, so market always moves in the impulsive and corrective movements. If it goes down, it will go down, it will correct, what I'm always repeating, and then it will go down, correct again, and then it will go down, and so on. Okay, and it will go like this on and on and on. Okay, and all those impulsive and corrective structure will form some sort of pattern of structure. Okay, and this structure will tells you then what the market will do in the future. So if you read this correctly, then there is no problem of predicting the market, and then you will be easily making money. Okay, you just have to understand how market works, how it develops, so why it develops so, and things will become very easy to you. And of course, you will be rewarded with your trading account. You will be rewarded with the profit. Amazing profit will appear. Okay, so I think that I'm talking too much. So what else? Do you have any questions? What else, guys? Keep on asking. I shared everything, what I'm watching, where is my focus, and so on. Okay, so this is all for this week. What I will do, I will not push the market. Okay, that's everything. Okay, just to remind you guys, please can you hit that like button? It will help a lot, and I will appreciate it very much. Okay, this is the less what you can do. Okay, so but yeah, of course, if you guys are interested to join our team, join our academy, if you want to take trading seriously, then feel free to join our academy, our team. Okay, then just go to the website, tradewithmaster.eu. Website link, it's under the video in the description, so just click it and find the membership that fits with you, and then I will give you all the access. Okay, then I will welcome you inside of our team. I will give you the access to education, which of course you will have to watch. Okay, you will have to go and see all those educational videos. Okay, so you'll get a lot over there if you just take a look quickly. Okay, so what you will get. You will get over there. Okay, this is the top course which I have prepared for you. Okay, this is the biggest one, and these all are the lessons. Okay, so you will learn everything. This is let's say advanced training course, but you have the beginner as well. Okay, the previous courses are the beginners one, but this one is next level. Okay, you will get everything over there. There are short videos and a lot of videos are over there, but definitely they will improve everything. Okay, so you will learn everything. There is how to optimize your trading. Okay, you will get techniques for optimizing buy and sell. You will see entering optimal spots, where to enter in the market, how to entering, where's your optimal spot for doing so, and of course there are the techniques where I'm showing you on the live chart. Okay, technique which I'm applying on the live chart. So this is why we have a chart, part 1, part 2, and of course this is everything on live chart. Okay, all demonstration on live chart. Okay, here as well some things what you should not do. Okay, so this is the example when selling too late. Okay, if you're doing this kind of mistakes, you should improve it. You have to find out in your trading. Okay, so very good thing, and this is keep going. Okay, I'm keep adding over there the videos, because more I work with people, more I help traders to improve their knowledge, more I can help you, and more issues can I solve, and based on this I'm recording the videos. Okay, so this is the course which is constantly growing course. Okay guys, do you have any questions? I really hope that every one of you will catch some of those trades. I'm having a couple of trades over there on UAN as well. We'll watch and see what this one's trying to do. Okay, it's not so strong with the breaks, so it can reverse, but anyway I will have all my trades which are placed from the top over there, somewhere there. A couple of my trades are over there. I think one is there, one is there. Come on, there's one, there's a second one. Okay, I have two trades and I will close them on break even if this will go for upside. Okay, so otherwise if it drops, then I will have a good trade. But as it looks like, it's very slow movement. Okay, it looks like a flag there on lower time frame. That's what I don't like. I don't like this because it means we can go up. Okay, but still doesn't mean you have to close your sales. Keep on holding them. This was a nice example on DXY. DXY did exactly the same. Okay, so look at that one. You should not be worried, and this is the point where you have to have, come on, if you have high entry point enough, you should not be worried. Look at that one. That looks like a buy. Did we take the buy over there? Of course we didn't, but we were having some sells over there which were not touched. We just put them on break even. Okay, so all trades that were taken over there were placed on break even. So if you place them, you should not worry. They just drop, and what you are now, you are in a nice profit right now. The price will just correct and keep on going lower. Okay, so make sure that you understand this behavior because it's very important for you. Okay, I will wait a couple more minutes. If there will be any questions, I will answer them. Otherwise, I will end the webinar. Okay, so I will end the webinar over there. So next time, hope that every one of you will have at least a trade over there. Okay, so at least one trade which I'm showing and sharing there with you, you should have. Okay, you don't need to have a real, at least try to grab it with the demo account at least. Okay, so you have to do something. Only the way like that you will gain some experience, you'll get some knowledge. By just watching me how I trade and how I make money, that will not help you. Okay, this will not help you, but you will have to work by yourself. You have to follow my setups. You will have to listen to me, what I'm saying, what I'm doing, and of course you have to backtest it. If you do this and if you follow those steps, then you will make money. You will make money over there. Okay, so thanks for information. Thank you very much for the comment. Sir, I am very new to trading. I don't know about it. How do I begin? Any tips? Oh yeah, beginning it's kind of different. Okay, you depends how new you are, but definitely you need to start developing now three things. Okay, you will have to use the demo. Yeah, like Zalko is saying. Yeah, first thing what you'll have to do is just use your demo and try to trade and see if this business is for you. Okay, you have to check and see if this business is for you. Try to read the book Elliott Wave Principle, which is free on Google. Okay, just Google for it, Elliott Wave Principle. Read it and try to grab the concept of this book. Okay, just the concept is what you need. And the basic thing which you have to understand is that the market moves in impulsive movement, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. Okay, this is the first step which you have to develop and which you have to understand. And what you have to do then, go on the chart and see if this is really so. Okay, so if market moves in waves and if this is the impulse, this is the corrective where the market will move based on the concept, we should go into the previous impulsive direction. So what it did, market goes up. And then another one, correction, where the market should move upside. It goes into the bigger correction where the market will move into this direction of the impulse. Where it moves, it really moves that way. Okay, this is what you have to check. Go on all charts. It doesn't need to be only the forex. Okay, so look at that one. Up, correction, where it will move into the direction of this impulse. Up, there's even more corrections, more correction, but it's moving upside, right? You will find on lower time frame more of those impulsive and corrective movements which you will follow. Okay, and of course, again, bigger correction where the market will move into this direction. Very easy. Okay, and it moves both direction, in buy and in sell. Okay, so it drops, correct, go down, correct, go down. Same for up, same for buy and for sell. Okay, down, correction where the market will move in the previous direction. Okay, you don't need to be the magician to understand this. So this is the first thing which you have to do. And the next thing, as the beginner trader, you have to study this. You have to study this, and you will have to develop then your entry strategy. Okay, so first you need a strategy, how you will analyze the market, how you will put your trend lines, what is impulse, what is correction, how correction behaves, and so on. This all is your strategy for analyzing the market. Then you need the strategy on how you will enter the market. Okay, that's very important. You need to develop strategy, how you are entering the market, where is your stop loss and where is your stop loss, why this stop loss is there, and so on. Third thing, you need proper risk management. Okay, this is how you will be risking your money when you are trading. This is the third thing. And the fourth thing, which is very important, is exit strategy, or how you'll manage your trade in case if it goes against you. Okay, we always have time to reduce our loss. Of course, if you are getting into the trade on correct spot. If you're not getting into the trade on correct spot, then you will not have this fourth option. Okay, so these all are the steps which you have to develop if you would love to become a trader or a big manager. Okay, manager that it's managing big capitals, not only 100 euros. Okay, we are talking really with funny numbers. Okay, we have to think about big numbers. This is the big business. Okay, and your goal should not be to make $100. Your goal should be to make $1 million. Okay, because with $100, that's a really piece of cake. Okay, over there, that's really small business, and that's not for us. You have to think big. Okay, there are bigger amounts of money waiting for you if you want to be in this business. Alright, so make sure your goals are big, and if this is everything for you, if you feel that you should go this way and if you feel confident in this way, then you start trading. Okay, then you take every single second and invest it in the charts. And if you are capable of investing in knowledge, do so. Okay, find the mentor, get in the group will help you, guide you, will help you to support you, will give you the rules that works, and it will give you the strategy. You will get the strategy which works, and you don't need to test it. Because if you're developing your own unique strategy, you'll have to backtest it for at least a year before you will see if it works or if it not. Then you will start trading. Okay, so if you have the mentor, if you find the group, if you find the community, then this everything will just speed up your trading process, but not before you decide and before you will see. First you have to see if this business is for you. Then you will start searching for the community, for a good team and so on, for good knowledge. Yeah. Okay, so he's saying, thank you very much. I understand a lot from your explanation. More people should watch you, really. Yeah, that's what I'm doing over there, okay? I'm sharing there a lot of information. I want that everyone will hear me what I'm saying over there. Okay, if you just hear what I'm saying, what I'm explaining, and if you're implementing this into your trading, you already did some good step. You already gained some knowledge, and that's very important. But if you just watch the webinar, then nobody can do that for you. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone. If you have any question, just feel free to leave a comment under the video, hit that like button, and if you want, you can share it as well with your friends. So take care, enjoy your day, and make sure next time when we will make a meeting, you have at least one trade which I'm sharing there with you. Okay, so at least New Zealand cat or Euro cat is what you have to catch. So now be patient, put your focus over there, find the setup, get in on right time. Okay, use the demo. Okay, you can use the demo and you'll see how it goes. So take care, enjoy, and see you next time.